Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we will explain how you can do survey analysis in Excel, so let's get started. First, open your Excel sheet containing your survey responses. Usually, each column represents a question, and each row represents a person's response. Before starting the analysis, make sure your data is clean by checking for blank cells, spelling mistakes, or duplicate responses. Once cleaned, select your data and go to the Insert tab. Now click on Pivot Table and choose New Worksheet. The pivot table will help you summarize your survey results easily. For example, drag a question like satisfaction level into the rows area and drag the same question into the values area. Excel will automatically count how many people selected each answer. You can repeat this for other questions or cross-analyze results, like comparing satisfaction by age group or gender. Next, to visualize your results, click anywhere on the pivot table and go to Insert Chart. Choose a bar chart or pie chart to display your survey data visually. You can also use conditional formatting on your main data table to highlight patterns. For example, apply color scales to show higher satisfaction in green and lower in red. If you want to calculate averages or percentages manually, use formulas like equals average open bracket range close bracket or equals count, if open bracket range comma, yes close bracket divided by count a open bracket range close bracket to find response ratios. Finally, rename your sheet as Survey Analysis and save your file. And that's it. Now you know how to analyze survey results in Excel using pivot tables, charts, and simple formulas to make your data easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.